Hey, what's up guys, my name is Samad and you're watching Mr. Salesman. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install vinyl flooring in your rooms, in your bedrooms, in your living rooms. It's a really easy process, a really simple process. All you need to do is first apply the glue on the floor, spread it really evenly, and then put the vinyl flooring sheets on them. And also you need to cut some of the sheets in half so that you can have an amazing border. And yeah, that's literally it. That's how you install vinyl flooring. So without wasting any time, let's just go to the site and see how it is installed firsthand. This is the site, and the wallpaper will be pasted on this wall, as you can see, and the vinyl will be pasted on this floor. Wallpaper. After 20 minutes it looks like this, and now we are moving ahead to the vinyl flooring. Okay, so I want you guys to know vinyl flooring is a really easy process. All you need to do is first apply the glue on the floor and then cut some of the vinyls in half so that you can have a border of the half plank. Then you need to apply the full plank on the corner of the room, as you can see, and then apply the half plank beside it. So you need to do this process over and over, and that's how you install vinyl flooring. the skirtings, and this is the last one. So basically, this is the vinyl flooring. In this video you saw us install vinyl flooring, and this was the wallpaper. In the previous video I showed you how to install a wallpaper. So it's a really simple process. Hope you guys liked the process and hope you guys thought it was easy. You guys can do it at home as well. So yeah, for the next video, Allah Hafiz.